Welcome to the next part of Weekend Dev Challenge 49. So in this part, we'll be seeing parallel file search. So basically, the objective is to build a CLI application that accepts a search term and multiple files as command line arguments, and then searches all the files concurrently. So if I enter a search word, it should search all the files with that particular word, and then streams the matching result back through all the channels, and then prevents deadlock by correctly closing shared channels. And yeah. So yeah, let's go to the code. So first is basically creating a struct for the search result. It should have file name, line number, and line text. Where is that particular search word? So then you have to scan a file. So basically, the elements you're using to scan a file is basically the search term string, and then the search result, and then the weight group. So what happens is, let's say three different words are being searched. One is completed, it should close. After second was completed, it should close. So basically, when the worker exits, the search should close. So that is why we are using wg.done. So after that, we have to open the file name, or we have to open the file, and then if there is any error, then we say could not open that file. And then we have to expand the buffer to increase the capacity by making it to 1 MB. So making it to 1024 bytes, so that is 1 MB. And then we start from line number 1. So we convert everything into lower, so it is easy for us to search. And we start through each and every line of that particular text, and then we do case insensitive matching. So it doesn't matter if the text is in uppercase or lowercase or mixed of both. We are converting it into lowercase. The lower search term also slower, and then the entire for document also into lower, so it matches easily. And then we increase the line number by, if that after that particular line we go to the next line, so we increase the line number by 1. And then if there is any error, then it says scan error in that particular file name, and there is an error. So and then if it is less than 3, if that particular length is less than 3, so basically we run the main.go saying this is a search term and this is the file, whatever the files are there. If not, then there is one example. So basically there is an error, server.log, app.log, debug. These are the files. Search for the error. So after that we start parallel file search, and then we once we get the result, then we sync it with the weight group. So then that this can be called wg.done, and then the weight group can be exited one by one. And then so after that, launch a concurrent worker for each file. So for every file, we'll be launching one worker who searches for that particular file, and then if that is done, then he exits it. And then then we have to take a match count as 0, and then as soon as it matches, we have to increase the match count by 1 each and every time. So that's all the basic stuff. So let me run the program. So you can see I have given error as the input. So these are the app log line 10, debug log line 5. So these are the whatever the error the word as error has been detected in that particular file. So let me submit the program. I hope it's managed the solution. So test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.